Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are practicing a very important skill, how to be polite and respectful in English. Politeness isn't just about using please and thank you. It is about how we make others feel. Listen closely, mimic my rhythm, and let's practice together. The power of softening. In English, being direct can sometimes sound a bit rude. For example, instead of saying, "Give me that water," native speakers usually soften their requests. We say, "Could you pass me the water, please?" Or, "Would you mind handing me that?" Notice how the voice goes up at the end. Could you? This friendly tone shows respect for the other person's time and space. Another great phrase is, "I was wondering." For example, "I was wondering if you could help me." It sounds incredibly polite and gentle. Disagreeing respectfully. What happens when you don't agree with someone? You can still be respectful while holding a different opinion. Instead of saying, "You are wrong," or "I don't like that idea," try validating them first. You can say, "I see your point, but," or "That's a good perspective, however, I look at it a bit differently." This shows that you are listening and that you respect their thoughts, even if you don't agree. Small gestures, big impact. Finally, remember that active listening is the ultimate form of respect. Nodding your head, making eye contact, and using short responses like, "I see," "That makes sense," or "Right," shows you are fully present. Politeness is a bridge that connects people. Thank you for shadowing with me today. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.